We'll be making chattering bird today. So we take a square paper, turn it like this. Now we need a crease in the center from this point to this point. So we fold the paper and we will reopen it. While folding this, make sure that the points are overlapping properly so that you have a nice clean fold. Press it properly. Now open it back. We have a nice clean fold here. Now we take this point and put it on the fold that we just made, and we make sure that the points are straight. We make a fold here properly and we repeat the same process what we are doing here from the other side. Make sure that the points are touching each other and then we fold. Nice and clean fold. Now we have to take this point and put it in the center again. Again we have to be careful with the point so it's nice and clean, and we fold. Repeat the same thing from the other side. And we fold this here. Point needs to be sharp. Now we fold this. Now we take the bottom and overlap with the top point. Now we take the top flap and put it down. Now we take the top flap and put it down to the center and fold. Now we have to make creases, so we overlap this edge with this and fold so that you get a nice crease that side. Repeat with the other side, this edge with this. You have a cross crease on this triangle. Repeat this edge with this. This with this. And fold. Now we open it back. We fold this like this and with our finger push this edge outside so that it makes a triangle. Repeat the same thing at the bottom. Hold it this way with one finger, and with the other side you open and make the triangle like that. Your bird's face is ready. Now we have to fold along the center. Press it nicely so that your folds are clean. Your bird is ready now. Looks the same from either side. You can make eyes like this or even stick googly eyes if you wish to add on this.